See that fuse right there, burned up. Okay, so I replaced it with a spare from here. What causes that fuse to pop is the inverter pump. The inverter pump here shorts out, blows the fuse. And a lot of times this happens while people are driving. The vehicle completely shuts off and doesn't start back up. So I got it unbolted, unplugged, and I flipped it over, and sure enough, it's burnt and melted right there. I'm gonna get it out. I'll get a better video, better angle for you guys. And it smells terrible, like burnt plastic. So yeah, we're gonna replace this guy with the new pump, put a new flute, new coolant in it, and he'll be good to go.